FunnyBone on time.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hear that FunnyBone's mother is here. So please, can we put our hands together for Mama? Mama the mama. Mama Bine no okay, 7 in Lagos. Yeah, what are they Bine? All right, that's FunnyBone's mama. Camera, they show. But I'm happy that we're here. You know, say this country now, I really don't know the dimension. Where would they go? Every day dollar they add one thing. Add 2 naira, 3 naira. A day club the other day, 9-1 man. I go piece inside club. Oh. One Igbo man they complain as the piece. He say, nah, buhari. Can I get here? 407. 407. Can you hear buhari name here? Now buhari no try. No try. If they come out to forget saying no zip person, now buhari no try because now me the tell us okay, can see him name here like this. This buhari sha. The other day I hear say na call Jonathan. Say hello Jonah. How you take the handle this country before now? Now from background, I patients they shout for her. Shebi una say make me and my husband go. I said make my husband repeat. You said no. Now don't they hear him? Una go some call us back 2019. I said, Mama, anywhere one of them, I begin to come Abuja. Oh. Be like say because if this thing continue like this, you go see the next election 2019. Now people go there for queue. Hello, excuse me. What party it is? They say APC, change. They say, no, where's corruption? Please, we need corruption. We need corruption, please. I traveled to America because of some of my colleagues who deceived me. Where's Bovi? Bovi told me to give birth in America is cheap. Where's he? His wife should be around somewhere. Bovi is dangerous. I asked Bovi how much is to give birth. He said, just $5,000. I said, 5,000. I said, sir, wait till they say 5,000. I got to do it, I will do it. When I carry my wife, we reach America. We pay the $5,000. After she born, now we're going to hear different bills where they hide for one place or the other. When bill come out, my brother, I dey wear size 16 for shirt. I just noticed say when I wear 14 and a half, it size me. I said to myself, there's a problem. Now me they send message to my guys for here. I say, bless son, I go send me money from Nigeria. Tell you, the one way vex me past now. When they tell me say, we need to run another test. I said, what kind of test? He said, the last test is the auditory test. Just to make sure that your son can hear very well. I say, if it is free, we will do it. If it is not free, we will come back. Now you both say, it is not free, it is $500. Now I tell her, say, 1 minute. My wife begin to shout from one side. Say, why are you like this? Stingy Igbo man, you don't want to pay. If it is to go and drink beer in Nigeria, you go and drink beer. Pay this thing so that this boy can hear well. Now ask my wife. Say, in your lineage, is there anybody that is deaf and dumb? She said, no. I said, even in my lineage, there's no deaf and dumb. And it cannot start from now. My wife said, pay this money, you know the hear about you. I said, don't worry. Let us go. Now I go meet the Igbo. I said, excuse me. We will come back. Now go Adeo. We reach house. My pikin they sleep. My wife open door, drop the baby for couch. Begin to complain. You this man, no they hear word. I say, shut the door. My wife just go closer. I say, no. Jam the door. Now my wife jammed the door. Now my pikin shake. I say, is there any other test? Why waste $500? Can't waste $500 for the woman. It's not possible.